Welcome to the Office 365 update for August of 2018. In the next few minutes, I'll be giving you a quick rundown of the latest Office 365 updates with the goal of helping you get the most out of the service. First, I want to thank all the viewers who took the time to participate in last month's survey. Your responses help me better understand who you are and what you like most about this video series. My team and I are looking closely at the survey results, especially your comments, and we'll be looking for ways to make this video series even more valuable to you. Now, on to the updates. In the January update video, I covered the Microsoft Whiteboard Preview app, a free-form digital canvas where people, ideas, and content can come together for creative collaboration. On July 12th, the Office team announced the Whiteboard app had moved out of preview and is now generally available on Windows 10. Whiteboard provides an infinite canvas where imagination has room to grow. You can easily draw, write, and add images and virtual sticky notes to organize your ideas. Designed for pen, touch, and keyboard, Whiteboard enables you to share your ideas naturally in whichever form you prefer. Teammates can huddle around a large touchscreen in the same room or work together on their own devices from around the world. With the Whiteboard app, your brainstorming sessions are saved automatically to the cloud so you can pick up where you left off, whenever and wherever inspiration strikes. And because the canvas expands along with your creations, you never have to worry about running out of space. To start using Whiteboard on your Windows 10 device, download the app for free at the Microsoft Store and log in with your Microsoft account or your Office 365 account. And be sure to visit the blog article I linked to in the transcript and resources guide for more information on availability on iOS and the web.